Hello everyone. Today, we'll talk about an exciting pre-function engagement product from TechXP, the Batak Pro Game. This active and engaging game is perfect for events and will help you make your events fun and memorable. And it's not just fun, the Batak Pro Game is also highly customizable. Brands can display their logos on the game screen and even on the physical game itself. This game is perfect for brand awareness in corporate events, trade shows, and parties. It's sure to be a hit with your guests and attendees. So there you have it, a perfect experiential marketing product that makes your customers experience your brand. To create such marketing and brand experiences for your brand, contact us at info@techxp.tech.